guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be making some jewelry. This company called Bohem Style sent me this little cute package and they are starting to do subscription boxes. It started November 1st, their very first subscription box. I was so excited that they reached out to me and wanted me to do this. So everything comes in this little box right here. And then what you get, oh my gosh, I stumped everything. What you get is 2 different kits to make 2 different jewelry items. So this one comes with a necklace and then it comes with a bracelet. So you get 2 little packages. This one just totally fell out. But they have the prettiest beads. I am super excited to get started on making these. The one thing I was so excited about is because I am not like a professional jewelry maker and I get super like impatient with things. They send you a little thank you and they give you your own special like website, which ends up being like a YouTube video, but it shows you step by step on how to put the jewelry together. So I thought that was even better. I've already been on there to kind of check it out. I am so excited. I think these like are very gorgeous pieces and I am just gonna get started on making them. And then I'm gonna show you guys if I did it more. This is easy.
When everything is on, we light a candle. We're breathing really slow with artists. We're waiting for the dawn with empty bottles. You turn around when I wanna kiss.
So cool so far. This is like the first part of it. I don't know if you can see, but it is so awesome. Okay, so you don't realize that I left and came back, but I totally left and came back. I put my necklace and I put my bracelet together, and this probably took a good hour and a half to 2 hours, only because I did everything step by step. First off, the directions that they give you or the online video tutorial is on point. Without that, there would be no way I could make either of these. So that was really easy to follow the tutorial. They did it slow enough so you could kind of keep up with the video. I did pause a couple times just to make sure I had everything going, and they label every little bag. So when you go to do the video, you know exactly what bead to use because they label by like a number. So that I thought was awesome. This is the necklace I made. I was like super excited. It is so pretty. These are made out of glass beads. So the quality of these are like amazing. I love this. Like I'm so excited like I made something as cool as this. Do you guys see it? Can you see it? Like it is like you gotta take like 2 like wires and like make this and then you combine them together. Really relaxing. It was really nice to do this. I was like super excited. I think this necklace is gonna look good all year long. And the other jewelry piece that I got was this bracelet. This is like a Christmas bracelet, so it has like 4 different little, and yes, I did 4 different like wires, and then you like attached them with this little type of thing right here, and they have little snowflakes on them. I thought this one was so cool. I love the colors of these purples. It just made my afternoon, you guys. I did it all afternoon, and I'm so excited. Now I have new jewelry to wear. So, but alright, you guys, that is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Bohem Style for sending this to me. I am just giving my honest review and telling you that this is so fun. I think someone would really like this for like a gift or like some kind of like Christmas is right around the corner. So if you don't know what to get somebody and they like jewelry, like this is awesome. You guys are gonna see me wear this like every single day. Not only because it's super cool, but because I made it. Well, alright you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!